Dream big. There are no limits to how successful you can become, except the limits you place on yourself. Many entrepreneurs today ask one simple question: what does it really take to build a successful business? First, you need a product or service that people actually want or need. Second, it has to be priced properly. But that's only the beginning. Building a successful business requires the right mindset and the right strategies. If one part of your business strategy is weak, your growth will slow down. So today, let's talk about 7 powerful strategies that can help grow a successful business. The first strategy is being hands-on and paying attention to details. Great business owners are involved in their business. They don't sit back and ignore the small things. Just like a great doctor pays attention to every detail, a business owner must do the same. Sometimes that means doing small tasks, organizing things, helping the team, or fixing little problems. Because small details create a big difference in customer experience. The second strategy is showing passion. Selling is often a transfer of enthusiasm. If you truly believe in your product or service, customers can feel that energy. Great entrepreneurs show excitement about what they offer and genuine care for their customers. But passion alone isn't enough. You must also stay optimistic. Every business faces challenges, mistakes, and setbacks. Successful owners don't focus on the problem. They focus on the lesson hidden inside the problem. The third strategy is focusing on the customer. The real purpose of a business is not just to make money, it's to create and keep customers. A great business turns a first-time buyer into a loyal customer. And then that loyal customer tells friends and family. Your success is directly connected to how many satisfied customers you have. So listen to your customers, understand their experience, and constantly look for ways to serve them better. The fourth strategy is becoming more competitive. Unless you have a complete monopoly, competition is always present. And the key to winning in a competitive market is differentiation. You cannot be just another business doing the same thing as everyone else. You must have something special. Something that makes people choose you instead of your competitors. This brings us to the next important idea. Your unique selling proposition, often called your USP. Your USP is the reason customers choose you. It might be your product quality, your location, your service. Sometimes, it's simply the personality and trust customers feel from the owner and team. When people think about a business, they often think about the people behind it. That connection is powerful. The fifth strategy is minding the money. No business can survive without understanding its finances. Successful business owners track their sales, revenue, and cash flow regularly. They know how much money is coming in and going out. And most importantly, they focus on net profit, not just gross revenue. Because revenue may look impressive, but profit shows the true health of a business. It's also important to imagine your ideal business. Think about what your perfect company would look like. What systems would it have? What kind of customers would it attract? Once you imagine that vision, start building toward it step by step. The sixth strategy is striving to be the best. Top entrepreneurs are always pushing themselves to improve. They want to be the best at what they do. Being the best means constantly learning, improving, and adapting. Markets change. Technology changes. Customer expectations change. So successful business owners stay curious and continue learning new strategies. And finally, the seventh strategy is measuring your success. Success means different things to different people. But there are 3 powerful ways to measure it. First, you should enjoy what you do. If you wake up excited about your work, that's a sign of real success. Second, your business should consistently reach its financial goals. This shows that your strategies are working. And third, you should genuinely love your product and your customers. Because when you truly care about what you offer and who you serve, success becomes much easier to achieve. Building a successful business is challenging, but it is also one of the most rewarding journeys you can take. With the right strategies, clear goals, and consistent action, growth becomes possible. Now we'd love to hear from you. Are you planning to start or grow a business this year? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to learn more powerful strategies about business, technology, and AI tools that help entrepreneurs grow faster, subscribe to SmartBizAI. Because in today's world, the smartest businesses are the ones that keep learning and keep improving.